The quartz crystal microbalance is useful for sensing small concentrations of another compound and can be applied to questions regarding the mechanics of soft matter and biomaterial systems. The main advantage is that the quartz crystal microbalance is able to obtain highly accurate information for small sample sizes.
When extracting mechanical property information, it is necessary to work with films of an appropriate thickness. Researchers must be careful to apply the correct modeling for a film during analysis.
The technique is well suited for studying a wide range of material systems and for understanding how mechanical properties of polymeric materials respond to the environment.
After turning on all necessary equipment, remove the flow module from the chamber platform and unscrew the large thumb screws to open the module. Dry the O-ring on the flow module with a stream of nitrogen gas and check that the O-ring is lying flat. Mount the sensor on the O-ring by placing the sensor with the active surface side down and anchor-shaped electrode oriented toward the marker in the flow module. Find the initial resonance frequencies of the sensor. Place the inlet pump tubing in the 1x PBS. Start the external pump flow at 25 microliters per minute and visually inspect the tubing to be sure that the fluid is flowing through the tube. Allow the fluid flow to properly equilibrate for at least 15 minutes. In the software, press Start Measurement to start the measurement and begin data acquisition. Monitor the frequency and dissipation values for at least 5 minutes to ensure a stable baseline. Stop the pump and move the inlet tubing to the collagen acetate buffer.